Last time on Cat Trial 10 Tech Test, saw a couple red lights, but she is back.
There we go.
And she is moving on.
She's got to fill the parts list that was submitted by the customers, and then she's got to do a quick safety walk around it.
She's gonna close that door, time's gonna stop, boom, just like that. Welcome to Cat Trial 10 Tech Test Episode 3.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Griffin Real.
And I'm Rutledge Wood. Let's go back to Becky.
Samantha, you were amazing out there. Tell us, how are you feeling?
I feel amazing. So glad it's done, and I hope I did good.
What a great effort.
The tech test is really testing our contestants.
Becky, who's up next?
Hey, I'm down here with Austin. Austin, tell us how you're feeling today.
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna try my hardest.
The Maple twins, Austin and Tyler Maple.
2, 1.
Austin is off, climbing up to the top there. The most interesting thing we are gonna see when you have two twins competing, do they apply the same logic? Do they have a totally different approach?
You can't make a lot of money working on four-wheelers and dirt bikes, so I got into like heavy equipment and stuff, and ended up really liking it, and it's just something a lot different. It's really fun.
Ooh, wait, is his brother watching? Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, I would call this a competitive advantage.
When I watched my brother do the course, I think it was easier, yeah. It gave me an advantage.
Okay, Tyler's going up now, almost identical in their march to the top.
Balancing work and school, it's not that hard really, because we go to school for 8 weeks and we work for 8. It works out really good, actually.
Hey Tyler, don't forget any parts.
Something I did not think we would see is two twin brothers competing, and while one is working, the other is talking trash. This is really ramped up.
I chose being a CAT technician because my teacher at my career center, he really helped push me to do it.
It's not just about what you know, it's about your adaptability, your ability to learn. That's what's gonna make the difference when you're competing against others in the job market.
Including your twin brother.
Yes. What he's matching up is the C2.2. That's what we call an ultra compact engine that goes in like our skid steer loaders, our mini excavators, but that thing can actually be installed in a bunch of other allied equipment too. Anything from like agriculture applications, and then they've got aerial lifts and compressors, irrigation equipment, mobile light towers and welders. I mean, these are all things that are very essential day in and day out for all these different industries that are relying on CAT products.
I think our work is important because it helps customers out, and you know, we help construction companies out that help build America. That's really the most important thing.
Who's gonna come out on top, Austin or Tyler? Find out on the next Cat Trial 10 Tech Test.